In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recipients to DocuSign, a handy tool for managing electronic signatures and document workflows. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding and feel comfortable navigating through it. First, you want to start on your DocuSign homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a section labeled Templates. Click on this option. Templates in DocuSign allow you to streamline the process of sending documents that require signature. Once you're on the Templates page, look for the Create Template button and give that a click. This action will lead you to setting up your new template, a critical first step in managing your document workflow efficiently. Now, once you're on the Create Template page, you'll see various sections designed to help you customize the document process. What you're looking for here is the Add Recipient section, which is usually a little further down the page. Scroll down until you find it. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to specify who will receive and, importantly, sign or approve the document. In this section, you'll need to enter some key details. Begin by specifying the role of the recipient. This could be anything from signer to approver, depending on what action you need them to fulfill. Assigning a role helps in managing what permissions and actions are available to the recipient. Next, input the recipient's name and their email address. The email is crucial because this is where they'll receive the DocuSign notification and gain access to the document. If you have more than one recipient, don't worry, adding another is an easy task. Within the same Add Recipient section, you'll find an option labeled Add Recipient, usually represented by a button or link. Click this to add additional people who need to receive the document. Simply repeat the process of entering the role, name, and email address for each new recipient. Remember, it's beneficial to double-check these details for accuracy to ensure that your documents are sent to the correct email addresses without any hiccups. These simple steps make it easy to add any number of recipients to your DocuSign template, allowing you to manage who interacts with your documents and how. This setup ensures that everything is in place for a smooth electronic signing process, saving you time and decreasing the chances of manual errors. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding recipients to DocuSign. With this knowledge in hand, you'll be able to quickly set up your document templates and get started with your electronic signing processes with ease and confidence. Thanks for joining me today, and happy signing!